Be- You might be familiar with the other slogans that return to nature during classical age and romantic age, return to rules, return to the village and countryside. But Protestant movement, or call it Reformation movement, is also known with the other slogan called return to the Bible. Now I want to tell you from these two words first. I want to separate these two words and want to highlight them for you. First name I uttered is Protestant. Protestant name came from the verb protest. They protested against the corruption of the church. They protested against the ill practices of the church, ill rituals of the church of the time. They protested against the wholesale corruption of the system, governance, and wholesale structure of church as an institution and the practitioners of the church. That's why it is called Protestant. Then there is another noun I want to talk about that, and it is called Reformation. Reformation is a noun that has come out from the verb reform. Now two things are very worthy of notice here. First is Protestant means to protest, one who protests. Reformation means one who believes in reforms, in changes, in necessary changes. So what was the job of these religious oriented people? The first job was to protest. The second job was to reform. Now, against whom to protest? Clergymen and the corruption of the church. What to reform? The same things they were protesting against. That's why it is called Protestant and Reformation movement. But this movement is also known with another name, a very significant name, and I repeat this name again and again, or here repeated because of your proper understanding, and it is called Return to the Bible. Why return to the Bible? Bible was there, people were there reciting the Bible, then why return to the Bible? We will be learning and discussing the causes behind this slogan too. Now let me tell you what was Reformation movement, Protestant movement. It was a religious movement that began from Europe in Germany in the year 1517. Mark it, that why I would say that in the year 1517 I would be discussing later on at length. And this movement was initiated by none else but a monk, a professor of divinity in Wittenberg, Germany University, named Martin Luther. And I would like to also tell you that there are two historic names with the Martin Luther, same name. The one is who was the champion of the black Americans' rights in America. He was also called Martin Luther. But I am talking about the Martin Luther of Germany, who launched a protest, a reformationist movement against the corruption of the church and the clergymen prevalent in Europe at that time. A movement does not come in a one day or in 24 hours or in 2 days or a week. For movements, there is a homework done before it could be launched. Same was the case with the Martin Luther.